parents, this, that, but I was dragged into this without my consent, illegally, unlawfully. Uh, it is said, bad people will do whatever they do. They are going to do it. But I have full faith in God, and there are good people in the country, good people with integrity, who will not let the innocent suffer this way, whatever the bad people may do. However much money, power you involve, in the end I have firm belief that the good people in the country will make sure that the truth will prevail. There are a lot of attempts being made at blatant, misleading character assassination of me and my family. There is a certain industrialist name that is being circulated that this woman had a case against this also. There was no criminal case against Malav Dani. Malav Dani did not file any criminal case against me. What is this hullabaloo about? Why are they so hell-bent on character assassinating me? This particular complainant, as a matter of fact, if you see, he doesn't have a family. He doesn't have a wife. He has a wife that left him after 14 months of marriage. On his divorce papers, I've seen allegations of multiple affairs, of having a mistress that he names as his sister, of impregnating a young college woman right before marriage. And hence, because of all of this, because of multiple affairs and things like that, his wife left him. This man particularly has, I checked in 2014, had 17 or some criminal cases against him, lost elections, his companies are being struck off. So evidently he doesn't have much to lose in life. No family, no career, no good name, no reputation. Why is he dragging me for his monetary benefits? I mean, I have worked all my life. I did not have familial support. I have love of my family, but my family has not been so strong that they could establish me in any career. I have worked all my life to achieve whatever little I have achieved, and I'm very proud of it. He's spoiling my name with all these controversies, and it's gonna be so difficult for me to rebuild a life after this. Not. Yes, sir. As for the purpose of this case, this man was in debts. I'm stating facts. This case was forged and foisted on me and my entire family.